Hello, we are French couple. I'm Leila, this is Reda. We have been exploring Kyrgyzstan for 1 week right now.
We have been actually amazed by the magical and astonishing landscapes that we're visiting. So we have done actually the round trip from the Isikul Lake. Now we are close to Karakol with this amazing point of view. Actually, we have snow, we have the sea, we have the mountains at the backdrop. This is amazing. And all of this thanks to Kyrgyzstan tourism.
Thank you.
Arpanın ala tozundan, arqарын atsam zosundan, ардақ тушым қарекенде бай, алсам дем құштың босына. Ардақ тушым қарекенде бай, алсам дем құштың босына. Айылыңа күнді барғандан, артымдың ойлап чочунам. Асыл кетсен деген ендең ай, айланып өтсем озуна. Asıl geçsen деген ендең ай, айланып өтсем озуна. Қалқыңа күнді барғанда, қапыраймен деп чочунам. Қадір кетсен деген ендең ай, қайрылып өпсем озундан.
We've been dreaming to ride horses, all life actually. And what the best location than here, like in Kyrgyzstan?
Yeah, we just lived the dream by riding these horses between these amazing mountains. It was amazing, fascinating. Thanks to the Kyrgyzstan tourism. Thank you so much to make this dream
Thank you so
come true.
much.
We have been discovering the Kyrgyz culture, which is amazing. Nomad life is so fascinating.
And while discovering and exploring a country, we're actually also, love discovering the way, you Kyrgyz people, are wearing. And we have those amazing traditional outfits made possible by Kyrgyzstan tourism. So we're very happy so we can have nice shooting in a very nice location. Thank you very much, guys.
Thank you so much.